Today we'll be installing a new solution for select Jeep Cherokee models 2014 to 2023. The 95-6563 disassembly. In starting the disassembly of the factory dash, using a pry tool, remove the climate control panel. Next, you'll want to unclip and unplug the connectors, then remove the panel. Here, you see the two screws securing the radio panel that you'll need to remove. Carefully unclip and remove the radio panel. We will have to remove these 4 Torx screws to remove the switch and place into the new aftermarket panel. Remove the 4 screws securing the radio. Disconnect the plugs from the back and remove the radio. Once the radio is removed, a metal bracket needs to be removed as well. For this step, you will need a short screwdriver to get the 2 screws that are located on the back. If you're using a shallow mount chassis such as this, which is shorter than this bracket, you don't need to remove the metal brace. Now in the case if you're using a full chassis doubled-in radio, the room that you need is going to be from this metal bracket, in which you have to remove the 2 screws to get the metal bracket out. In this shot, we see the metal bracket up close. There are 2 screws behind these locations that will need to be taken out. There is a screw on both sides. Here we see an even closer look behind the metal bracket. You can see where the 2 screws live that need to be taken out to remove the brace in the dash. On the front side, you can see the post where the screw head goes into when you're using a full-size doubled-in radio. Remove both vents from the factory panel. And also remove the switch housing with the 4 screws. It unclips, and then you slide it out. Then transfer the vents and the switch panel into the new aftermarket panel. If your particular application doesn't have the switch panel, we offer a blank cover to go into the spot. In this kit, we offer 2 different style color trims, silver and bronze, post-assembly, and dash fitment. Make all the proper connections and reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to finish this install. A separate interface is required for retaining the select climate and comfort features. You can refer to our vehicle fit guide for up-to-date vehicle-specific applications. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Please follow us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click the box on the right side of the screen. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.